Abusuya before ebeto Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin ene Kwadwo Sheldon a oye blogger entem no na yenim se akwakoda ama sabrede asumdwe aba sena entisa Kwadwo Sheldon ekopie mu ewo Fifi Prat e program a edin no ede Afro joint so ama wasa akekan semo a we de ahye Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin ebufuo ama ono so react abusuya said the case no esi ekono ejinyame ebem de adru de ejise wobemu daddy Jesus de adru de ejise wobemu abusuya baby a case no ekono ayehu ba Kwadwo Nkansah enso ababe react aha strong media mesel say obekire wadwen e wo comment section na uwia wa share video ama unua bi ensa atumi aka enra Afro joint so ena Kwadwo Sheldon etimi ekopie mu ho medinkan adrope ni interview a one kwaku manu eyeye ewo ono an studio ho ho ne de ase na koma no ewo form kakra but we dey there chese na koma wo soro ai wo Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin okofre matankoma se omra me ye adwuma a o make comment bi obufi e ma okoso live the dinner tem me de ontimi fama me suwo sa efuomu niema o you saw some kind of words be abusia.
The portion that we said something about the grading, which was like 2 minutes, your man picked that part, posted it on TikTok, and he said he wants to beat me for expressing my opinion. And you see, the reason why I didn't reply him, they said, man, I've gotten to a point where this back and forth, they need me like that. Because me and Shatta we go toe to toe. You Lilwin, go fit you to me because I go fit do them like dirty. But I have like a lot of brands I work with. I know my before delete this, do this. So because he was body shaming people, insulting people, and left, right, and I was like, nah, bro, that's not what a senior man would do, right? If you're a senior man in an industry with a seasoned, rep, whatever, at the end of the day, you call us, you let us understand why you think this is like this, or you come to the studio and have a conversation. You don't just go out there and say you are going to beat me. First of all, you can't even beat me. You go how you can't beat me. How you go if beat me, bro? Have you seen my head before? That's a weapon.
There be head and they forget
a weapon of mass distraction. I'll go head down, you go forget the script yeah, but that's my weapon, right?
Kwadwo black belt more into Sheni.
No, but I was disappointed in him. No. Listen, he passed on comments. A movie they bought out ministers, mommy fans. Really, if that movie enters a platform called Rotten Tomatoes, he go cry. He go move from one house to the other. Basically insulting everyone. You see, we are in an ecosystem where I need people to understand that once you put your work out in the public domain, it is subjected to scrutiny. It could be subjected to ridicule. People would have diverse opinion about your work. They means that what you have done, no, it be bad. We all do videos. You do a show. Everybody they like your show. Have you moved from one house to the other beating people who don't like your show?
But Kwadwo do obey.
On to me, ya most of such signs no fine who me crow to me to how you go where you go see me say for. I mean say they are crap. I show am say we there outside. We outside every day. Show up make with true hands. See, Uncle Fee, where would they try position the industry? Bro, this week I have.
But what they say go for PF said they hype.
On they hype because all the videos that he created, you see the flyer. The flyer where then they sell the ticket, right?
Yeah.
So I didn't want to dignify the whole thing because if you want us to create, that buzz around it, come and see me so that we do this thing. Make you not do like you be senior man and you have say what I have invested in this work millions of CDs and you pass a comment about it. Matankoma tell you say you no go appear in your movie. You did a video insulting her. When he approached Matankoma, that Matankoma should appear in his video or whatever, and Matankoma said, I'm not going to do Nakuma with Munye Bibi Papa Biano. That was Matankoma's opinion. Why was he out there attacking Matankoma? Now, all the other who do movies trailer about to an uncle pass a comment, not insulting you. And you see, you have people encouraging him. Me don't see me from Amisu. No, me yes, sir. So 4 more near money in your view.
If one would have
minimum our cardia meets me, I come in yet last out back and uncle for bunk of for the animal the drama mean be, but unto me moment, unto me am a shade. Miss movie premiere and as me ba, unto me am a shade. That is what I'm telling you in your face. Open say your kwani come and chagbo na ni akoto to and saw honum. We sell tickets, we hype your event for you. I'm sick and tired of these people thinking, say, like, bro, we can't have an opinion. You have invested.
And sign, you better at waso. Na some kind of words be or you su any.
Figure of state.
Yes.
And you say, Biao. Yes, you see a piano microphone here. You need a beer. Bro, see, I am also so sensitive. I feel like we for make people understand the kind of environment we find ourselves.
Maybe, probably, no, not on no Najimo. Maybe you contact him direct and be like, you know what, this grading or whatever is not giving. What you say?
No, but what?
Maybe or no, son or no, or person on
I don't have this number. Minimum, baby. And what annoys me to the core is when I did 2 videos. First video was me giving you fans and tons. It's new the one. When I said, oh, Lilwin, you have tried, you have invested in these people. Well, who know? And that video was 30 minutes. You know, Siam. Where I said, oh, they did a terrible grading. That is where, well, you see,
No,
that guy always gravitates towards negativity.
No, not just him. It's the whole Ghana.
Yes, and 2% only
Ghanaians,
hype on
yeah.
fine. But make her look like, hey, over bombe. Radi is
Me imagine pa Lilwin Kwadwo Sheldon.
You have invested in a movie. How much you do invest in the movie?
So what's your pain?
I don't see answer before.
Oh,
Me
Lilwin.
who ne da, me friend da. Me who so da. What the hell?
Huh?
Jesus Christ.
On get it.
Make you get out of here and go compare being in the movie. No, I'll give you a video. I see he's done about 4 videos. Kwadwo Sheldon, I'll beat you. Don't come.
Kwadwo, your Kansas here, Mr.
Me say he should go and sit down. That's what I said. Uncle Pebble being because no, we they try build an industry where we go be competitive, where we go see one content on Netflix. What the other not 20 account who ye movie now and premiere on national theater and as cinema. But I'm more busy of one show. I'm never more fans. Mrs. Sam movie there's a platform called Rotten Tomato, or the toast will be. They will criticize your work to the point and say, oh, they've been to look for work useless. But what do the directors do? They wake up and they create because that feedback will inform subsequent production. When people no one learn, we are stuck in the mediocrity. Mediocrity. Now, what do you see, Kashim?
That's how
now, see, footballers, we criticize football. Do I know football? How to play football? Made him sick at a restaurant. Say restaurant owner and he or she has invested in the food. Say the animal that and me mama can't channel. See, I am also so sensitive. No, really.
But yeah, maybe I will kasa be one.
No, because he has been doing this thing. Me hand my better and make kasa because me then you get that kind of. I know mine am. He has been doing it. Opening to say when I was sorry, we can sang kalan man where TikTok. When you for make you reflect in thinking.
Oh, Debbie, Mr. Retract, Mr.
No, sorry. Retract. Me Kwadwo Sheldon.
Hey, now just say I'm out for Vimo. Oh, to me, oh, Kwadwo Sheldon, which me can say a camp sena or boy, a juma or that baby. Rams no one qua unim scar or tiaye. I was as I got a hand was sabi democracy in tea and answer then. Sabi Tafrache, Obiet Michel Arjen, I will be one say, Obi and one Yansen be a enim. Obi Echani Sini, Wako review, and was say, a Konya will fast wa only a review yano, any panel waboka, a Jumano Enyama abontene. Tienio, a Jumano Enyamai, the awo yano, a bit affecting a Juma, why no, because Kwadwo Sheldon, our fans. Who face amanfo nimo why adwuma no ache wo YouTube videos awo ye chese wo numbers wo YouTube videos awo ye nyina no ekọ entina chese amanfo e follow nti o comment bia wo be make at this time bia no ebe affect the premiering no Kwadwo Nkansah etim po nyina eno no na jese atenia ode ba mu ene we seri na bia aha wo de ya but yese wo oka enibre na wasa enya gas eti Kingdom FM oni bra panyi fifi prat obu ofu I will not retract masa na Kwadwo Nkansah so eyina no good Kwadwo Nkansah comments ono de o make ye or the video no ekoto na TikTok page na o kire ase this boy na chese wagu ahome na yese aboa no pese opemu a okọ na chi ansa. It's the moment Kwadwo Nkansah agu ahome a waye this boy no na che say bibi ewa akira eba yesi asem kese ya ebesi a na franka esi so abusua ye de strong media ye wo ho say asumdwe emra ye de strong media ye hwehwe asumdwe na se kukuru no enyai na keka no so enyai na mukoso a ye de ebefri ha ene ha ababia no yebeka bom na yede abesom yahwefo na chese aboa na bibia no aye kama abusua na chese Kwadwo Sheldon ene Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin Kwadwo versus Kwadwo omu case no enya ema na wiye afi kwa na emu aye den because say utie nkomo ni ya said ya Kwadwo Sheldon so esi mean some kind of words bia oyusuma Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin no abusua case no aye hu aha aye strong media strong media me say wo be kire wadwen e comment section ho said ye Kwadwo Sheldon esi drag issue no because Lilwin watwa so but minim de enti a say no first na as a onko interviews is Lilwin atwa so kan e kwa na Kwadwo Sheldon own grant interviews but as a after on Lilwin being free no wa share ase a kwakumanu e de no aye mahu se Polino ene chese amanfo e de no ye ene se nra wakwakopiem ewo afro joint so a wasa abobo na adwen chese comment section no da bia meka eye wo dia kire wa adwene de Kwadwo Sheldon eye ana de Kwadwo Nkansah edin kan ye ne bom na enye abuzua se we ya first video a wahwe a de ebeboa wo pa ne se said ye esha ase enkomo no ahya ase ni nyina no yaye ewo channel yi emu a okomu a obehu na what story we ase Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin versus Kwadwo Sheldon we enso ye update a ye de ebrew aha strong media meda wase na mashaw say wo be share video yi ama onua bi ensa atumi aka na wo wi a wa kire wadwen ewo comment section edin no e de AJ meda wase na mama o mo ene share